This is Lou. Lou keeps himself busy by watching so many coding videos. He's a very talented developer. He starts coding right away. But then he gets frustrated because when he looks at all the projects that he has built in the past, oh, there's so many. He started 1,000 projects and he has completed. Oh man, this is Bob. You see, Bob is smart. First he studies, then he plans it, then he codes it, then he deploys it. Bob always has an app checklist. He makes sure to plan feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4. Great. And when he codes, then he finishes one by one. Yay, he finished his app. Boom, it's deployed. Yes, good Bob. Bro, there's only one way to get out of tutorial hell. And that is focus. I cannot tell you how many useless folders I have on my machine. Uncompleted projects. It really pains me, to be honest. But it changed when I started listening to this guy. The thing is, you need to be able to see a project from start to finish. Today, the last 3 or 4 projects that I've actually built completely, it's all online, deployed, and I can deploy it with a click of a button. And something that most people don't talk about is that if you have these projects, bro, and you put it on your resume and you deploy it to the internet, dude, recruiters are gonna love you, technical people are gonna love you as well, and they're gonna respect you like the software engineer that you are, okay? So my 4-step plan for everything, anytime I want a new project, this is what I do. First of all, I plan it very well. You need to be able to plan out all of the features that you want in the first version of your software, which is very important. And from that plan, you need to go design it. I use a notebook and a pen to just quickly draw a mock-up of the layout that I want, and I just go from there, okay? This is gonna be your front end later on. Don't be like those useless people that use Figma like for a side project. What are you, a dip? You know, use a pen and paper, make it quick, make it look good. This is assuming obviously that you're working by yourself or a very small team and not with a large team. So after planning it and designing it, the next step is to go implement it. Go build it out. Go build it out with your favorite language. Build it with React, whatever, okay? Build out the database, the backend, you do that, okay? Lastly, deploy it, man. Deploy it to the internet. Deploy it via DigitalOcean or AWS. There's so many tutorials out there for you to do this. But man, one thing I could tell you today is focus. Plan it out. Write down a list of features that you want and take it from there. It's very simple. If you can't build a project that you want to build out, your focus is the issue, nothing else. Not your coding abilities, not anything else. Just focus. I'm going to talk to you about it like a programmer would. Most people with all this stuff, they look at projects like BFS. They try to go widthwise. They try to do as many projects as possible. But I'm telling you to focus depth-wise. Finish it out from start to finish. I know it's very difficult, but you and I, we want to be respected software engineers in the future, right? We want to be able to have a legacy later in 20 years, right? And it all starts if you start with your project today. There are so many videos out there that try to get your attention, like this one, but be real. Be real with yourself. You're gonna watch this video. If there's gonna be one thing you take away from this, I know you have that one project in mind that you want to go build out. Go build it. Go build it. My favorite way to start off with this is Notion. Just make a list of all the features you want, then design the front end, design the back end with all the controllers and stuff if you're advanced like that, and take it from there. This is going to separate you from all of the loser developers that just sit there and watch your videos the whole day, that watch tutorial videos every day. They learn new languages and like that. Leave them alone. They're not who you want to be. You and I are the type of developers that, okay, we like to learn new things about programming, but we take it seriously. We build projects, we build useful tools for society. In 20 years, we want to look back and see that we used the 2020s for good instead of for bad, okay? If you're looking for motivation and discipline throughout this project of yours that you're about to start on, please click the link below in the description. It's a link to a community where you will find other like-minded developers, other ambitious, visionary-like developers who want to leave a legacy on the world, okay? Join that group, ask us any questions, ask me any questions you want to ask so that we can get you through this. I want your focus to be sharp so that we can build great software together, okay? Listen, life is a gift given by the gods to make a proper use of it. I'll check you in the next video. Love you. Take care. Bye.